YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Becky, and I'm here to do a butterfly ponytail tutorial, and as you can see on my title. But if you're new here, welcome, and please like, comment, subscribe, hit that like button. And yeah, today is just simple ponytail butterfly. Get this, knock this out. So stay tuned and watch the ending results. So this ponytail, I'm gonna just use some Pro Styling Gel. And I might be strange about this one. I feel like the gel makes my hair straighter. I seen it. Okay. I think this is a good amount. Bam. So how this looking? It's darker because it was lighter. So I just got my little pre-stretch hair from the beauty supply store. It's already pre-stretched. Like I said, it's gonna be a high ponytail. Quick, fast, and easy. You don't need to tie it down because it ain't nighttime over here. It's 2 o'clock. So I had to pause it because I had to lay the other extra hairs out. Hold on, let me let you see. Well, right here. That's the first one I'm going to use, and then I'm going to line these up to finish the ponytail. So that's how long it's going to be. It's going to be extra long, so, you know, let's get started on it. what y'all think about this, because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I can also rock this for a while. Like the close up. I know, right? I like the new camera, but this one is the old camera, so you gotta bear with me. You might see it better on this end. Besides that, I would see it clear on a thumbnail. But this is the process I have to take for this ponytail. I like it though. It gives this vibes. Fun. It's fun. It could be sophisticated, party ready, barbecue ready. Just going doing errands ready. You know, it's simple. And for people that have jobs that you can't, you know, wear that long ads, you could always wrap it up in a neat, sophisticated bun. And it'll do just well. Just well. What y'all think? Got a little updo moment and the lay it down to the back. Which one y'all like, up or down? Because I like them both. Both is alright with me. See? And then when you get off of work and you want to go hang out with friends and, you know, lay that thing down. Lay that thing down. Yeah, it's giving me the bitch from Atlanta or Pocahontas. Yeah, Pocahontas. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on my video, and I hope you enjoy the mini tutorial on this ponytail, butterfly ponytail, the pony. See, this but the camera. Well, the butterfly pony, because I sure enjoy sharing. Peace.